Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through why sometimes you're not able to adjust the crust color option and the timing options on your Panasonic bread maker. I've got here the SDYR 2550 model, and really it all comes down to which baking mode you're using. So I'm going to show the control panel that we've got here on the top of this bread maker just very carefully. You can see here we're currently on baking mode 1, that's the basic bake. And if I press the crust color option button, you can see there it rotates through the crust color options on this screen. And likewise, if I adjust the time, I can do so by pressing up and down. However, if we change the baking mode and instead of number 1 we go to number 2, which is basic rapid, I can now no longer change the timing options on this bake. There's a very good reason for that, and that's because it's a rapid bake option, and basically we want the bread to cook as quickly as possible. That means you can't add any time delays or adjust the time. So you will find that on any rapid baking program you won't be able to adjust the time. Now when it comes to adjusting the crust options, again, if I change the baking program to say what about 24, the pizza option, that's a 45-minute baking program, and you can see if I press the crust color option, it doesn't do anything. There's no options for that. We can't change the color of the crust on your pizza dough, unfortunately, and you will find that in similar baking programs that don't traditionally have crusts. You won't be able to change the color of the crust. So those are the two main reasons that you won't be able to adjust the time or the crust options whilst using your Panasonic bread maker. I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.